Chase has just discovered the refrigerator downstairs, and it has milk in it. Cheese. Cheese. Can you put the milk back in the refrigerator? Huggan. I think that's for your daddy. Can you give that to your daddy?
Oh, look at this. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. You're such a good boy. Yep, this is Daddy's milk. Is he going to bring me every cup in the fridge now?
Probably. Chase's milk. There. I'll Grandma take that one. We gonna drink that? Drink that.
Yeah.
That's your tent?
That's delicious.
He's really pretending to drink it.
Yep.
That good?
It is good. I'm surprised you can hold that in one hand.
Okay, Chase, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say love you.
See you.
See you.
Bye.